Welcome everyone to the 5th video of the tutorial series. In the previous video, we talked about the where clause. In this video, we are going to be talking about the SQL order by. So let's connect to our database. We open a new query editor. We change our working database. Okay. So the order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. So the order by is used to order our results either in ascending or descending order. The syntax is the same as the select and the where clause. Here we are going to be using the order by to order our results. So we are going to be using the table, products table from our Northwind database. Product table, this one. So let's see what the table has. So I'm going to say select all fields from products. Let's check. Okay, so these are the products we have. Okay, now to use the order by, since we want to arrange our results either in ascending or descending, we can say these results we want to order them by, maybe our supervisor says I want you to order them by the unit price. So this is what we can do. We say order by is a keyword. Order by what column? The unit price. Like that, and then we run it. See, 2.50, 4.50, 6.00, 7. The unit price is increasing as we go down there. Okay. Now, the order by keyword sorts the records in ascending order by default. So we haven't specified here whether we wanted descending or ascending, but from the look of things, it's ordering them in ascending. So if we don't specify the order type we want, by default it's ascending. So ascending, we write it like this. That's ascending. Let's run. We'll still get the same result. You can see here it's increasing. Okay, then for descending we use DESC. Let's check. Let's check the unit price. You can see the unit price here is decreasing or it's reducing. Okay. Now for strings or text values, the order by keyword will order alphabetically by default. Let's try product name. I'm going to copy this one. Then we are going to order by product name. And then by default, you are going to remove that one. And then let's check. The first one is, let's see, the first one is this one, starting with C. Okay, now let's run. You see, we are starting with A, B, C. Okay. This is ascending. It's alphabetically starting with A. Okay. Now for descending, we provide the same highlight, descending, now starting with Z. That's how it works with text values. For numbers, by default, it's ascending, starting from 1, 2, 3 and going up. Descending is the opposite. For text field, it uses the alphabet A up to Z. We can also use the order by to order by several columns. So for example, let's copy this one and then our supervisor says they want to see information or products ordered using the unit price and maybe the reorder level. Okay, so let's say unit price, we order by unit price, and we order level. We're going to remove this one. We are going to select all the columns from the products table. We order them by unit price and we order level. Let's run. Okay, so let's check the unit price. We said by default it's ascending, so here we are okay. It's in ascending, we are okay. How about the reorder level? Let's check this one. There's 20, 0. Here looks like there is no order, but here's a catch. Let's find the unit price that is having same value. Like here it is 7.45. No, it's not. Let's check. Do we have same? Here it is 9.50. 9.50. Okay, so 9.50. What is the reorder level value? It's 0. 9.50. What is the reorder value? It's 15. So this one tells you that there is the order by, which is ascending. It's in ascending type. The order by is in ascending type. So if we have the same value in the unit price, it's going to use the reorder by, still maintains the ascending. If we want to change the type for the reorder level, we're going to include the descending there. Let's check. Okay, so the unit price still maintains ascending, as you can see, still maintains ascending. And then the reorder by, reorder level, this one, starting with 20. Let's find the same values in the unit price, this one. Okay, what is the reorder level? Here it says 15. Then this one says 0. So it's using the descending in reorder level. But in the unit price, it still maintains the same ascending. Let's also try to put descending here. We run. Okay. So the unit price has changed. Okay. How about this one? We are not sure. Let's find same values. Let's try to find same values. This one, it's in ascending. There's 45 at the top and there's 40 down there, so it's in descending. And then what is the reorder level? This one is 30. Then the next one is 5. So we are using now the descending type in the order by. So we can order by using several columns. Okay, so this is how you use the order by to order our results, either in ascending or descending, and we can also use several columns to order our results set. Thank you very much everyone for watching. In the next video, we will be talking about the AND or NOT operators in SQL. Let's meet in the next video.